The Dancing Plague of 1518. Welcome to Strasbourg in 1518, a summer that would forever remain etched in mystery. It all began with one woman dancing alone, her movements slowly transforming into something wild. Days went by, and what started as one woman spiraled into chaos, as hundreds joined her dance. The authorities chose an unorthodox solution: more music to keep the dancers entertained. But as the days turned into weeks, the grisly truth emerged. Dancers were collapsing, some even dying. Eyewitnesses described apocalyptic scenes, as people danced with faces twisted in ecstasy and agony. With panicked citizens, theories began to emerge. Was it punishment from above or demonic possession? Some believed it was linked to astrological phenomena, while others insisted on divine retribution. But one theory, the Sydenham solution, proposed that dancing was the cure for their suffering. Despite these theories, days turned into weeks, and hope faded as the frenzy persisted. Fast forward to today, scientists suggest the dancing plague might have been caused by ergotism. Ergotism comes from a toxic fungus that causes hallucinations and convulsions, leading to uncontrollable behavior. Another idea points to mass psychogenic illness, behavior influenced by the crowd's hysteria. Despite all the theories, the exact cause remains a mystery, leaving many questions unanswered. The echoes of the dancing plague remind us of our vulnerability to the unknown. Through history, similar dancing manias have occurred, reminding us of our collective psyche. As we reflect on 1518, we marvel at the mysteries and complexities of human behavior. So, what do you think could have caused the dance epidemic? Comment below.